So you've tried meditation before, and like me, you struggle to switch the brain off. You can't relax, you can't focus on the meditation, and you just don't know what to do. Well, stick with me, because I'm going to give you a straightforward meditation technique that's ideal for people like me, and if that's you, who struggle to switch the brain off and just relax. Now, you probably know that meditation is really, really good for you. It's good for relaxing you. It's good for helping relieve or reduce stress. It's good for your overall sense of well-being. It's actually good for your health. Lots and lots of studies are coming out now that show that meditation hasn't just got mental health benefits, but physical health benefits as well. And this one has been shown to have both mental and physical health benefits. So let's set the scene. How are we going to do this? Well, first of all, you need to give yourself space where you can comfortably ignore the outside world and whatever's going on. When I'm meditating, I always put on headphones and always put on relaxing music. Doesn't have to be too loud, as long as you can't hear what's going on around you so well. I like Studio Ghibli music, simply because I find it quite relaxing, but you pick whatever you like. Some people like whale song, for example. I don't find that relaxing at all. So whatever it is that works for you, as long as it's music that calms you, pick something just almost as background music with headphones that will block out the rest of the world. You can either sit or you can lie down for this exercise. It's entirely up to you, but just make sure that it's a comfortable place that you're sitting or lying down in. The next thing I want you to do is close your eyes, and then you're going to focus for a moment on your breathing. Now, I want you to inhale a little more deeply and exhale a little more fully than you would normally. Now, you don't have to make that noise, but just focus on your breathing. Just relax. You don't have to take big, deep breaths, but just give yourself bigger breaths than you would normally do, and just focus your attention on your breathing. Just get a rhythm there for just a few seconds and just focus on your breathing. The breathing will actually help you to relax. And when you feel that little bit more relaxed, I want you to focus your attention on your heartbeat. Focus all your attention on your heartbeat. Feel the rhythm of your heart. Imagine that wonderful life force blood going through your body. Just focus on your heart until the point where your mind starts to wander. And then come back to breathing again. And when you've relaxed, come back to focusing on your heart. Now, you can do this as often as you want. You can stay in this state for as often as you want. When I started this, I struggled for even longer than about 15 to 20 seconds before my mind started to drift. But I've persisted with this, and I'm up to a few minutes now. The cool thing is, it just feels amazing when you're done with it. And what you're doing is you're actually focusing on your own energy and your own life. And the research is now showing that when you do that, the knock-on health, mental health and physical health benefits are absolutely huge. So all you're doing is starting off, closing your eyes, relaxing, doing some slightly deeper breathing, and then focusing on your heartbeat. And as soon as your mind starts to wander, repeat the exercise. Now, the cool thing is, with practice, you'll get longer and longer. So soon you will be able to just focus on your heartbeat for as long as you want. This does take practice. All things, this is a skill, and it takes a bit of practice. But I promise you, the benefits from this are absolutely huge. I highly recommend it. And as usual, thanks for watching. Got comments or questions? Write them in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.